Mga nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko, Ryan Gesto, and for today's taste test review / mukbang for episode 69, mga must-try product, A Bowl Ful Iloilo. A Bowl Ful Iloilo, food for the soul, packed in a bowl. They're online and home-based business here in Iloilo City, and they're also available via DLVR or Delivery. Full of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. They're also available for add-ons for sauces, price range of 15 pesos, and for their toppings, price range of 5 pesos up to 20 pesos. And this episode is now binayaran ko in my own personal expense. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nose! Save here, your famous food by Bowl Ful Iloilo. But before anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. Do comment down below kung anong mga products or food gusto nyo try for Bowl Ful Iloilo. And share this video to one of your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo updated sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po, huwag nyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel. When it comes sa post nila sa social media, ito very appealing siya. Tapos marami akong nakitang good reviews, especially sa mga customers. Their secret Glaze chicken for 129 pesos. Tapos nag-add-on ako ng dalawang Sisig Lumpia. Ito po yung Sisig Lumpia for only 20 pesos. So shoutout po kay Sir Pao for this recommendation. Also, na-deliver to by DLVR or Deliver. Sobrang fresh at init pa yung food ko. And most especially, na-amaze ako kasi sobrang early nila pag-deliver. So thank you so much, DLVR. Based on my research sa Facebook page nila, their secret glazed chicken served with garlic java rice, sesame seeds, and sauteed veggies, crispy chicken, glazed with secret specialty sauces. It's my very first taste test yung product nila, and also, I'm very excited kasi gutom na ako. So tara mga nose, kaunta! Precise yung sisig essence and also for its flavor. On point yung savory and also for its meat. Very tender and very juicy. And also for its wrapper, very crispy. Tapos well intact for this product. Try natin muna. Ko magiging mukbang na siya. Okay, for rating mga nose, I'll give it a perfect 10. When it comes sa kanilang Sisig Lumpia, it has a right balance of meats, savory, tender, tapos yung wrapper niya, very crispy. And when it comes to secret glazed chicken, naging precise sila when it comes sa taste value and also for its consistency, for its freshness, not only its eye-appealing, mabubusog ka talaga for its content and also for its overall ingredients. So thank you so much, A Bowl Ful Iloilo, for this amazing product. So I hope na hindi po to yung last. I-cover ko yung products nyo. Most especially, marami pa silang flavors and meals. A Bowl Ful Iloilo has good quality of products, excellent service, budget friendly, and is certified Drinking Nose standards approved. So once again, thank you so much and congratulations to A Bowl Ful Iloilo. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!